Hi friends, this is Advocate Rahul Maskar and we are starting a new series from Hammurabi Tablet called Practical Tips in Litigation. Now I think everybody would not be very comfortable saying that what is this tips in litigation. It's very simple. A client comes to us, he gives us instructions, he gives us documents, we have to draft it, file it and argue it. So where is that question of practical tips? This is what we have to do. But friends, that is not simple. What we have to do is, we have to take absolute caution. Each and every step which we take in litigation is equally important. No litigation should be filed in a mechanical manner. The reason is, no litigation is similar or identical to any litigation. So every litigation we have to see in a different manner, in a different concept. Our client may be different, other side may be different, the circumstances may be different, the evidences may be different. There are various other things which will play a role in litigation. So in this series, Hammurabi Tablet is coming with certain tips, and in this series we will have a list of those tips which are very practical in their sense. So let me tell you what we will discuss in this particular series. We will first discuss how to analyze our client. Second, how to analyze other side. How to take instructions. How to prepare for drafting. How to prepare for conference. How to prepare for filing of case. How to prepare for hearing of a matter, and how to create a network. So these are some 8 kind of tips which we will discuss in this particular series, that is practical tips in litigation. Now these are very important. As we will progress in this particular series, you will come to know that how all these factors which I have said, we have to analyze them in a very different manner to understand what is our litigation, what is our client, what is our other side, what all can happen, what precautions should I take so that filing is proper, what precautions I should take so that conferences are done in a very proper manner. So friends, we are going to discuss all this in these coming videos. So I hope you will enjoy these practical tips which are there for litigation. And all this, why are we doing it? We are doing it only because, number one, the litigation which we are filing for our client has to be in a perfect manner. Only when we will achieve what we want to achieve. Please understand friends, foundation of anything is important. If a building does not have a good foundation, there are chances of building getting in problem. Identically, the foundation of our litigation has to be perfect. So the moment we have a good foundation to our litigation, obviously we can certainly hope that we will achieve the desired goals or desired targets from the litigation we are filing. So friends, let's start with this series, Practical Tips in Litigation. Thank you.